Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Glimmerfin suit boots. First, you'll need to go to the oil rig, which is located between Roselet Bay and Sunstone Island. Climb the ladder to reach the top and talk to the NPC, Dr. Crookspine, to start the quest for the speed boots. So basically, Dr. Crookspine, it's very hard to say his name, is going to ask you for 3 items. The boots you'll basically find anywhere in the ocean. Make sure you use like a really bad rod to get the boots, honestly. And then the rocket fuel, you'll need to fish in Mushgrove Swamp to find the rocket fuel. Just fish anywhere else in that area. And then for the Speedcore, you'll need to go to Sunstone Island and fish, with the easiest spot being near the dock next to the shipwright. Once you're done, you just need to return and claim the boots, and it's going to make you walk around faster in fish. And that is it. Unfortunately, I'm not going to show you the process of me fishing it. Honestly, I got some of the parts from my friend, but you are just going to fish there and you'll get the items. So again, boots anywhere in the ocean, rocket fuel in Mushgrove Swamp, and Speedcore in Sunstone Island. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!